Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In this video, I am going to show you how to fix please update your driver shaderFloat16 is required GPU driver error on PC. In this video, seeing before you begin, like and comment this video and subscribe to support my YouTube channel. We can fix by using these 4 steps. In these steps, one by one follow to this problem. Fix it. Let's go ahead that first step. Directx update. This video already made it. That video link is provided in this video description, or I provided the software link in the description or comment. So you click to download and update the latest version. After that, recheck the game and still it does not working. Then go to the next step. Try update the graphics driver. So we need your graphics card update. So go to the Windows search bar and type your graphics card name and you can click to open. Then you will go to drivers. Then if you are available drive update, just you can click on the download button, click to update the latest version. Once you will update, then close it. Then go to the next step, device manager. So go to the Windows search bar and type device manager. You will click to open. Then you will click on the display adapter. Then your specific graphics card select and right click and choose the update driver. Then you can click on the browse my computer for drive. Then you can click on the let me pick from list available. Then select your graphics card. Then you can click on the next to update your graphics card. After that, close it. Then and come to back. Then go to the start menu and click on the power button and choose the restart button. Click here to restart your system and check game whether it is working or not. Still not working, then go to the next step, Windows update. So we need settings. So search the settings. You will click to open settings. Then go to that Windows update. If you are available update, just download and install button, click to. You will update the latest version. Once it you will update, then close it. After the restart your system and it will have solved this problem. If you have any doubt, go to that comment section and leave the comment, and don't forget subscribe my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.